Hi guys, Miss Sarah at the Peter White Public Library, and who is ready to sing some dinosaur songs with me? All right. Well, you can certainly be playing with your sensory bin while we are singing songs together and doing finger plays and all of that, okay? We're gonna start with our waking up. We need to wake up our dinosaurs. Here we go. Can you find your toes? Wiggle your toes. My toes are on the floor. Here we go. Wake up toes, wake up toes, wake up toes, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up toes, wake up toes, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Wake up fingers, wake up fingers, wake up fingers and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up fingers, wake up fingers, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Wake up nose, wake up nose, wake up nose and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up nose, wake up nose, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Wake up arms, wake up arms, wake up arms and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up arms, wake up arms, wake up and wiggle in the morning. Good job. All right, I have a song, and to do this song, I need to pick through my dinosaurs, and I need to find the dinosaur that looks like it might be a baby dinosaur. Let's see. I think this is a big dinosaur. This one's still kind of big. Maybe this one? This one looks like a baby. All right, here we go. I'm bringing home a baby dinosaur. Won't my mommy fall right through the floor? I'm bringing home a baby dinosaur. Rawr, rawr, rawr. I'm bringing home a baby dinosaur. Won't my mommy fall right through the floor? I'm bringing home a baby dinosaur. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Maybe we should do I'm bringing home a big dinosaur. I'm bringing home a great big dinosaur. Won't my mommy fall right through the floor? I'm bringing home a great big dinosaur. Roar, roar, roar. I'm bringing home a great big dinosaur. Won't my mommy fall right through the floor? I'm bringing home a great big dinosaur. Roar, roar, roar. Good job. Okay, this is a fun song. I'm gonna get to this dinosaur for this song. Here he is. We'll do this song a couple times. It's called Dino Ditty. Here we go. A hungry, let's see, singing diddy dum diddy do. I need to get the tune. A hungry dino walking down the street, singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. Searching all around for something to eat, singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. He's big, he's big, he's strong, he's strong. Oh, won't be hungry very long. Singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. Singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. We're gonna have another hungry dinosaur. Hungry dino walking down the street, singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. Searching all around for something to eat, singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. He's big, he's big, he's strong, he's strong. Oh, won't be hungry very long. Singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. Singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. Should we do it with 3 dinos? Let's do it with 3 dinos. A hungry dino walking down the street, singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. Searching all around for something to eat, singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. He's big, he's big, he's strong, he's strong. Oh, won't be hungry very long. Singing dino diddy diddy dum diddy do. 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 Good job, you guys. All right. Now this is a good one. We're going to do the dinosaur turnaround. And it's a good one to do when you're standing up. And I can't stand up because if I stand up, you won't be able to see me anymore. But we're going to make do. We're going to make do by we're going to use our dinos to turn around, okay? Can we do it with a dinosaur? Let's put a dinosaur right here. All right, can you guys see him? All right, here we go. Dinosaur, dinosaur, turn around. Dinosaur, dinosaur, stomp the ground. Dinosaur, dinosaur, show your claws. Dinosaur, dinosaur, snap your jaws. Dinosaur, dinosaur, turn around. Dinosaur, dinosaur, roar out loud. Roar. Should we do it one time where we use our bodies to be dinosaurs? All right. Dinosaur, dinosaur, turn around. Dinosaur, dinosaur, stomp the ground. Dinosaur, dinosaur, show your claws. Dinosaur, dinosaur, snap your jaws. Dinosaur, dinosaur, turn around. Dinosaur, dinosaur, roar out loud. Roar! Good job. All right, I have another dinosaur one. You guys ready? This one I'm going to use my body for. You guys can keep playing with your dinosaur digs if you want, or you can follow along with me. Here we go. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Spread your arms way out wide. Fly like a pterodon. Soar and glide. Bend to the floor. Head down low. Move like a stegosaurus long ago. Reach up tall, try to be as tall as an apatosaurus eating on a tree. Use your claws, grumble and growl, just like a tyrannosaurus on the prowl. Roar. One more time. Dinosaurs, spread your arms way out wide, fly like a pterodon, soar and glide. Bend to the floor, head down low, move like a stegosaurus long ago. Reach up tall, try to be as tall as an apatosaurus eating a tree. Use your claws, grumble and growl, just like a tyrannosaurus on the prowl. Good job. All right, we need 5 dinosaurs. I only have 4, and one is a skeleton. 1, 2. Oh, you can't see those. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. We're going to have a pretend dinosaur. 5 dinosaurs. Here we go. 5 funny dinosaurs letting out a roar. 1 went away. And then there were 4. 4 funny dinosaurs munching on a tree. 1 went away. And then there were 3. 3 funny dinosaurs didn't know what to do. 1 went away. And then there were 2. 2 funny dinosaurs having lots of fun. 1 went away. And then there was 1. 1 funny dinosaur afraid to be a hero. He went away. And then there were 0. All right, guys, that's the end of our dinosaurs. If you liked that and you want to keep doing them while you keep playing, you are welcome to play this video again. Put it on repeat. we're going to say goodbye. You guys ready? Here we go. Up, down, hug I found. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Pat your belly, find your eyes. Blow a kiss, say goodbye. Up, down, hug I found. Touch the sky and touch the ground. All right, guys. Well, have fun playing with your Dinosaur Sensory Take and Play. If you would like some books about dinosaurs, we have lots of them. Here's just a few. Rory the Dinosaur, Me and My Dad. If I Had a Triceratops. That sounds like fun. Dinosaur Parade. Dino Snores. Oh, that sounds noisy. Crunch the Shy Dinosaur. If you would like a dinosaur book, you can have your grown-ups place a hold in the catalog, or grown-ups, check out the comments on this YouTube video. Check out the YouTube description. I have a hard time remembering that word. Description. And there will be a link for the family packs that we do here at the library. You can request a family pack with your children's interests, and we will pull the books together for you. Have fun playing, you guys. Watch the video again if you want to learn all of those songs and rhymes. Bye.